sa likod tapos na. Dito naman sa harap. Pimilin. Thank you. Sarap yan. Raspberry. Wait, some. Thank you. Is that here? Huh?
I can't reach it though. One back there?
Just
Look,
pull like
I
this.
can't see it.
Pull like this. Oh, yan. Pick it up. Yun pa oh. Stop yan. Ito pa oh, Andy oh.
I know.
Oh, marami.
I know, that's why.
Other side.
I went already.
You eat. Ito pa oh. Ay, hindi masyadong hinog. It's okay. Ito naman yung plum. Yun oh, dami oh. Yan. Yun, ayan. Ito, kahit ang gray ito, yellow na. Marami doon sa ilalim oh. Oh, marami ngayon ah. Yan oh. Marami yung ano. Yan, this is a lot. Oy! He hit!
Oh well.
You tell him, Lynn, not. See? Laga na siya. It's okay. No, just bring. I'm gonna bring that. Give to mama. Ang dami oh. Small lang siya pero ang daming bunga ng apple oh. Ha? Thank you. Dami. Ito peras. May ilan na peras oh. Meron pa doon sa likod. Okay na. Ito meron pa ritong onion no? May onion dito, nasa taas yung bunga niya. May bunga na sa ilalim, may bunga pa sa taas. Yan o. Yan yung onion dito sa Canada. Pinitas ko na yung iba eh. Ito o. Marami o. Nandun yan, marami. Yes? Yes? No need. That's good. We're done. You bring at the back.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Let's go.
You're selling your raspberry.
Ito yung maliit naming rental house dito. Bale, 7 bedrooms. Pang retirement. Sige na. Uwi na kami. Salamat sa panonood. Dami lang basura dito. Ay, you have to put that in here. Maybe put it inside, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
All done.
This is all done here. Good. Thanks.